Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, I'm looking at CRISPR Therapeutics stock today and I'm looking at the overall chart pattern. Things are starting to look good right now. So I just want to give you a few of my thoughts and get your feedback. It's going to be an extremely short video, so please watch till the end. Let's get started. Now let's go to the TradingView platform. Let me first show you what I see in the price chart, and then I'll explain my new concept to you, and I would like to hear from you what you guys think about it. Well friends, here we are in the charts for CRISPR Therapeutics, and each of the candles out here is a one-day candle. And if you can look at the point out here at 4th of June 2024, I think we have had our first golden cross out here, because the 9-day exponential moving average has crossed over the 20-day exponential moving average, which is this thin orange line. And the other thing I noted today is that after the golden cross, which happened, I think, on the 3rd of June, today we have a situation where we have crossed the 9-day exponential moving average and converted that also into a support. So this, to my mind, is showing bullishness. The second aspect of bullishness is that we have got higher lows. So if I was to draw a line from here to here, you can see that we have higher lows so far. And also out here, we have a support here at 56.36, and we have a resistance here at 58.84. So I think the resistance at 58.84 needs to be crossed for further consolidation. And once that happens, I think we are going to be aiming for the two exponential moving averages, that is the 100-day and the 200-day exponential moving averages, which is this white and yellow. So that will add strength to strength. And I am thinking that this gradual consolidation process, which started somewhere around 17th of April, has ended somewhere on 3rd of June, where the golden cross took place. And since then, I think we are going to a higher level. Now, there are a few things that could happen. One thing that could happen is that we get some catalyst in the works, and we start a bull channel out here. The other thing that could happen is that we could continue to consolidate at a higher level using this 56.36, which is this green line of support, as the base, and we stay above that and below 61.66. So that could be a range bound area in which we might operate for an extended period of time. So if we look at what happened here, this was from 17th April to 3rd June. So we have got 17th April to 17th May, and then it's almost 1.5 month kind of a time period. So we may probably have a month or so of consolidation out here. That is one of the scenarios that we can see if there is no bullish catalyst. We have got the results coming in on 29th of July. We are already on 10th of June. So that will take us very close to 29th of July, 1.5 months. I think that if there is some fresh information, fresh data leads, also sales figures of CASJV, the first set of 5 infusions and the revenue registered from there, as well as information on the second set of CASJV registrations for whom blood has been drawn. That information can also be a big catalyst, or any information about CTX211 or any of the 2 CAR-T therapies can also be a positive catalyst. Of course, CRISPR has got plenty of money in its balance sheet. So overall, all these things can be a very, very positive aspect. And I'm assuming that we are not getting interest rate cut in June. So then July becomes really hot for a hot period of time, because September is when most people are thinking we are going to get a rate cut. So the excitement will start towards the end of July, and that's where our 1.5 month time takes us. And at the end of July, there will be excitement about potential rate cuts in September, assuming that it doesn't happen in July. So in that case, there is going to be euphoria in the market, and genomic stocks will definitely benefit a little bit from that. And among the genomic stocks, CRISPR Therapeutics is likely to benefit the most, in my personal opinion. And that could lead to gains. I think that my target of 55 to 60 will still be valid for a while. The way I would play it is that I'm going to show you the other place where my money is. My money is on FNGU, and I've got tremendous amount of profits logged into FNGU. I've already sold 30 out of the 120 FNGU I had. I also have had around 14 or 17 NVIDIA with pre-split. Post-split, it must have become 170. So I would like to buy another 30 of NVIDIA when the price drops. So I want to keep some amount of money separate for that. And I want to sell FNGU potentially when we come closer to somewhere around 381.49. And I think that we will definitely achieve that number because we are going to have the conference, and Apple may probably start showing more signs of life. NVIDIA, as it is, has been positive in most of the sessions, and it will continue to gain because of the split factor. So that will also be positive for FNGU. And Meta has been doing very well. So that will also be positive. And Microsoft has also been good. The only laggard right now is Tesla and Apple. I think Apple will also recover. And I don't know what's going to happen to Tesla with regard to the Elon Musk bonus, whether it will go down if he gets bonus or it will go up if he gets bonus. I don't know. And what happens if he doesn't get bonus? My whole strategy might go for a toss if Tesla falls significantly. So that would have an impact on FNGU. So I'll have to quickly take a decision. FNGU has been doing very well for me of late, and I am counting on the 9-day exponential moving average to give it support. The moment it falls below the 9-day exponential moving average, I'll pull the trigger and sell off all the holdings in FNGU and book profits. And I will then bring that money and buy 100 CRISPR. I'm not going to buy more than 100. I originally had 100 and I have used the money in FNGU, but now I have more than I need to buy 100 in my target price because FNGU has generated the profits. So that's my plan, my friends. So to summarize, my money is right now on FNGU. I have sold out 30 out of 120 and took profits. And I'm waiting and I will pull the trigger and sell off FNGU if it goes below the 9-day exponential moving average because I want to maximize the profit I can get. And the 30 shares of FNGU that I sold, they are more than enough for me to buy 100 CRISPR, which is what I started with. I sold CRISPR and put the money into FNGU and I have multiplied it. So I'm happy with that. I want to take out some money from FNGU and buy more NVIDIA shares because I would have around 170 shares post-split. So I want to make it a round figure of 200. So that's what I'm working towards. So that's the objective. So at the end of the day, I should have 100 CRISPR with me in the $55 to $60 range. And I'm expecting that that would be a long-term investment for me. I would not take money out of it after that. But in the process, if I get an opportunity to buy below 55, I'd more than be happy to do it, provided I've got out of FNGU completely. So that's the plan, my friends, and I'll catch up with you again in the next video. But I would like to hear from you. Put your comments in the comment section and give me your feedback. And also, please hit the subscribe button and the like button so that our channel can grow and reach the 20,000 mark. We are very close to it. I just want to see 20,000 out there. It will be a great achievement. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.